Welcome to this video. Is your boy Sammy. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to identify a market that is actually giving you a false breakout. Okay, the market that are trending and the market that are actually giving false breakout. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to identify the one that is actually giving the false breakout. So stick with me to the end of this video. This is your first time of watching our video, would like to subscribe, actually like, and also hit the comment section below. It shows to me that you guys have been watching this particular video. And if you remember the last time that I talked about this breakout, from the last example that I gave, I told you that this market was going to be coming to this zone. It was going to be coming to this zone before reversing. Now I actually entered this trade from here and I was actually stopped out. I entered the trade from here and I was stopped out. Why? Because I knew this was not close to this last order block. So I was expecting price to come here and I wasn't seeing what I wanted. The price actually went up and gave a little bit pips and stopped out. And I left the trade because the market has already changed from this up here to a bearish. We were bearish momentarily on gold. I don't know if you might turn bullish later, but we're bearish momentarily. Now this is a breakout. Okay, price actually pulled back here, but it was not completed. This is the biggest mistake that folks make. Okay, they actually enter the trade here, and the market goes up. There is a gap here that needs to be filled, so price will come back to it. And as you can see, I'm glad it did. It was able to explain it. You have not watched the part 1 of this video where I talked about breakout. This was actually what I analyzed in I think it was yesterday I did the last video. Yeah, I think it was yesterday. So you can go check it out and confirm what we said. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to align in some stuff that you need to avoid. If you don't see them as confirmations in the market, you need to avoid them. The first one is every breakout has a pullback and a retracement back to the trend. Back to the what? The trend here. Price is supposed to come back here before it actually moves up. Okay, it's supposed to have a deep retracement here. But if it doesn't, there are two types of breakout. If you don't get a retracement, like this, up, it means that price is going to be coming back to this zone. What happened here was the change of character. It came here, went up, but in the future it later came back down to fill up this gap. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I'm just giving this a bonus. I think I'm going to explain what I mean by this on the next thing. So we had this pullback here, but there was a gap here that needs to be filled, so price came back to it now. But if it does something like this, which is this last point, and went up, it means it's not going to be coming back. I'm going to be showing that example to you. Now the first one we talked about, breakout, you need to give a retracement move. The second one, it's you have to go down to a lower time frame to confirm it. Okay, there needs to be time frame alignment. If you're trading off of the 4 hours, sorry, if you're trading off of the 4 hours, you need to go down to a lower time frame, like a time frame lower, which is 30 minutes. Okay, I'll give my 30 minutes lower. Then you go down to, this is to confirm it. Okay, and then you go down to 5 minutes for an entry. 5 minutes is where you put your entry. You don't put your entry in 30 minutes. Okay, then if you're trading off of the 1 hour, you go down to 15 minutes. I think somebody asked me to explain about time frame alignment. I'm breaking it down so that you can get an understanding of what I'm saying. You go down to 15 minutes, 2 time frame lower, then you go down to 1 minute to enter. I like to enough of the 1 minute, guys. It's very, the risk I can get there is currently is 10 pips, 10 pips move on my stop loss, and I'm cool with it. Okay, then if you are trading off of the 15 minutes, if you're trading off of 30 minutes, sorry, you go down to 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is the lowest for your entry. Okay, so now let's align. You need to have our time frame alignment. Let's give an example of this. We are on 30 minutes, or should we start? Let's start from the 4 hours. Let's start from the 4 hours. This market has been trending up. Okay, and there's something here that I saw that I wanted you guys to see with me. Something here that I saw. Okay, now look at this here. This was the trend line break, and the price pulled up without a retracement. We're going to be checking it up. We're going to be checking it in the lower time frame and see what happened. Let me just outline this so that we get the picture clear. Okay, let's go down. I said 4 hours light. Let's go to 30 minutes to confirm what is here. Okay, now we have it. What did we see here? Price actually has been respecting this trend line. But what happened? When it broke out of the trend line, it did not give us any form of respect. Okay, that's what I was saying about time frames. Some guys will be like, hey, there's a breakout, there's a breakout, they're beginning to jump in here, and your stop loss will be too big. Okay, there needs to be a confirmation. There needs to be a confirmation. Price is supposed to go up there, come back down here, and start going back up. This is when there's a confirmation. And the last one that I did not mention is entry trigger, which is a candlestick pattern being formed. Okay, I like to use two candlestick pattern. I like to use and Morningstar and actually Morningstar and engulfing candlestick pattern. If it's a bullish market, bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Let me show you what the breakout did here. I know you may be like, are you ignoring the weeks? Well, I'll show you what happened here. Okay, let me show you from here. Use the line chart. See, this is 30 minutes. Don't worry, we're going to be going down to the lower time frame to confirm what I just saw here. Why am I using line chart? There are some of the times that these candlesticks become too much, that it begins to like enter your eyes most time and you begin to get confused. So let's go down to 30 minutes, 5 minutes for the entry. We have seen it on the 30 minutes as the market formed to confirm there. So I want to go back to 5 minutes to confirm this stuff to see if it really gives us the entry trigger that we actually were looking for. Okay, here we are. Okay, here we are. See what I was saying? So I will zoom this out a little bit. Now see, price was respecting here. Price was respecting this order block. Sorry, order block, respecting this trend line. Sorry, trend line, and then it came back down after this spike up. This spike up is the first signal that price is about to change. Okay, whenever you see a spike up, like it means price want to change. It came back down, and then we got this breakout. Now see the breakout. Let's see what happened there. This is a change of character. Let's take it to a line chart so you can get what this is. Okay, now I think this is clearer. This is a change of character here. It means the price has changed and price wants to go up. Now what did they do? Unlike the other ones that did not respect us, I think this is a pullout. They actually respected us all in this place. They came back here to this trend line. They came to this trend line. And what did we see happen? Price actually came back to this trend line here after the change of character. The market came here and we got our move up. Okay, we got our move up. Now can you see the difference? One, we had the time frame. First of all, we had the pullback, price retracing to confirm it. Okay, in the higher time frame, I'm going to be showing you that in the 4 hours. I don't know if you guys get confused, but it confirmed it in the higher time frame in the 4 hours. It did the same thing, confirmation in 30 minutes, which we were just coming back from the former time frame. 30 minutes, this 5 minutes, this 5 minutes. And what happened? We got price came back down to it to confirm it. Now let's see if we have the candlestick pattern I was talking about. What did we have here? We had the Morningstar here. This is the Morningstar here. So this is a better place to enter your entry and to put your stop loss below here. Okay, to put your stop loss below somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here, so that you can actually go. What did price do? We got this move. Okay, I think another breakout actually happened. There's something here I'm seeing that I showed you guys previously. I don't know if it's okay. Something here I'm seeing. Okay, now we have it. What did we see here? We got a breakout, but there was no retracement move. Price did not come here to respect anything. It did not come here to respect anything. It was supposed to do something like this, come back down here, before going up, but it didn't. Let's see if it did in the future. Let's draw a trend line to map out this stuff. Okay, let's see if it did. I think I've passed. Let's go back. Please, if you're enjoying this video or you're getting value in it and you have a question, you're free to ask. And don't forget our Profem and training challenge. I'm actually giving an opportunity to so many traders that are actually having issues passing their phase 1 and their phase 2 in their Profem account. If you have been blowing up your account, you're having issues, you're free to actually join with our community on Telegram with the link on the description of this video. Okay, you're free to do that, so you can actually gain access. The training is starting up, or is starting up on 30th of this month, and it's actually free. It's actually free. Price came down, but it didn't come down as low as we thought. Let's see. It actually came here. Oh, what's happening? It didn't come as low as we thought. Okay, see it here. It didn't come as low as we thought. That's why I'm saying this, guys. If you get a breakout like this from the trend line and you don't see any retracement move, you get a breakout like this and you don't see any retracement move down here, it means price is going to be coming back to this place in the future. Okay, so let's wrap this video up. The first one we said was that every trend line has a retracement move back to the what breakout, and the next one is that you must look for time frame alignment. Okay, time frame alignment, it must be in place. Time frame alignment must be in place. And the last one is you want to get what, a morning star, okay, as your entry to confirm it. Okay, that will be all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.